Hi, I'm Matt Renato, and I'm going to teach you how to achieve the slick back. To achieve this look, you'll need your wall clipper, a 1 or 2 guard, a styling comb, and a spray bottle with some water. You'll need at least 6 inches of hair on the top of your head to pull off this look. Once you're there, use the spray bottle to wet your hair down and remove any tangles with a styling comb. The length is up to you. For a disconnected modern look, grab a number 1 or 2 guard and slap it on your wall clipper, and then cut sections 1, 2, and 3. Leave the top of your head untouched during this step. To blend the hair on top into the back, divide your hair into 3 sections, starting with the bangs going back. Using the clipper over finger technique, cut your bangs 6 inches. Then the next section, 4 inches. And then the section closest to your crown, 2 inches. At this point, I'll usually remove the guard and work on cleaning up around the edges. When you feel good about where you're at with the haircut, you want to grab some of your favorite pomade and you're going to slick it straight back. If you don't want that comb tight look popular in the 80s, use your fingers to push the hair back to give it some height. And that, my friends, is how you achieve the slick back.